watching ReShoe, where I set out to restore, repurpose and rejuvenate all types of dress shoes. Stick around if you're interested.
Hello everyone and welcome back to ReShoe. A few weeks ago I posted on my Instagram at @ReShoe this story where I was asking you if you would like to see a video where I show how to maintain a shoe shine. And as you can see, you pretty much voted unanimously that you did want to see such a video. So here it is. As you can tell, the shoes in this video already have a pretty good mirror shine to them. However, they have been worn quite a lot of times and the shoe shine itself has not been maintained, which is why it is so dusty, and on the other shoe it is even cracking in some places. So in today's video I'm going to show you what to do when you're in this exact situation. First off, you want to make sure to brush off all the dust and debris from your shoe, as you would start with any shine process. From here, the technique is really not that different to when you're doing a shoe shine for the first time. However, this time, you will just gently tap your fingers on the wax, allowing the heat from your fingers to grab onto just a little bit of wax, enough to add to the already added layers. Of course, after a few layers of very light wax, we are going to be going back and forth to that wax in combination to an ice cube method, which you have seen in my channel before, but if you would like a more comprehensive video on how to do this, I will be sure to deliver. Special thanks to Wana for this comment. From now on I will be trying to only film in manual focus, because the constant change in camera focus annoys me too, and I think it annoys some of you as well. But I'm quite a beginner when it comes to camera work. However, thank you again Wana for the suggestion. You can also do the rear quarters of the shoe. However, in this instance I will not go too overboard, because these shoes' heels are quite soft and the shine will crack over time. You know it's a good shoe shine when my cat Luna just falls in love with the shoes unconditionally. And here's the final result. I'm very happy with how they turned out. I actually used this opportunity to further the mirror shine and make it even more of a glassy look. You can actually see the sunny skies here in Groningen reflected into the shoe shine, which is quite something, and it looks remarkable, doesn't it? If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a subscribe and clicking on the notification bell. Also, please leave a like, a comment, and don't forget to share it with your friends. I'll see you next time, ladies and gentlemen. Stay shiny.